Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add text to Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, to add the text to Google Maps, you need to do a couple different things. First, if you don't have any text, that only means that your labels have been turned off, in which case go to Layers, go to More, make sure Satellite View is selected, and make sure that labels are on, since as you can see, if the labels are off, the text will be gone. However, if we go into default, labels will be automatically on, so there is no reason to change that over there. Now, other ways to add text to Google Maps are, of course, to add different locations. Just right click on a location, add a missing place, or add your business, and that is pretty much how you can add the text, by actually adding a label to the map, which will be accessible by everybody. Other than that, you can only make certain changes on your maps when you create your own custom maps. As you can see, you can add individual markers or places where, as you can see, if you zoom in, it's not really text. However, some markers might give you text, but that is pretty much how you can add any custom elements to maps. But the only custom elements that you can add here are other tags, which are pretty much viewable by everybody. So that is pretty much all that you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.